Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you're here today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell and then you'll never miss any of my wig related videos. I'm bringing you this review today for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and sign up to receive their emails and you will get a code for 30% off. You can also email support@pinkypromise.com if you ever have any questions about wigs or colors or anything of that nature. So I'm so excited to be bringing you this wig today. This is an older style by Estetica, but it's a brand new shade that they are just coming out with today. This is Orchid, and the color on this one is Sunlit Blonde. Gorgeous, new, light, beautiful rooted blonde. Can't wait to tell you more about her in just a moment. Start talking about Orchid in Sunlit Blonde. So the fun thing is, I have actually never reviewed Orchid. I've never tried her, and I just love her. She is so pretty. I love her density. It's very natural. Her waves and her layers are just so flattering, so pretty. I really, really love the style. And of course, now we have this new color to show you, which is Sunlit Blonde. So you're gonna see Sunlit Blonde come out on 5 of their styles. I'm gonna read them just so I don't mess up. Avalon, Finn, Jameson, Jet, and Orchid. So I will have another review in a few days of another one of the styles in this color to show you as well. But this is a new shade and they're coming out with it on these 5 popular styles. So really, really pretty. Okay, well, I will do a turn so you can get a look at Orchid and then we'll get into all her specs and stuff. So here she is from the front. I love this swoop on the bang. It's just so feminine. It's flattering to the face. It's nice that you get a little bit of forehead coverage, you know, and of course, I think you could cut more of a bang in. I've actually seen her with more of a bang cut in, so isn't she just pretty? Her movement is pretty. She's light, she's airy. Okay, this is my left. The back. My right. And back to the front. And as you can see from the back, she's a very manageable length, you know, just a little bit of long hair that you can play with, have some fun with, without it being, you know, too much to manage. These are regular synthetic fibers, by the way. These are not heat friendly. Okay, so Orchid has a lace front, very nice lace front, and a left monopart. You can see the rooting on the piece. We'll get into the color in just a moment, but you know, I really like, this part was super easy to open, which is something I really appreciate because some of these wigs lately, the zigzags have been so hard to get out. So, you know, very, very easy to open. And I like the appearance of scalp there. You can see, you know, I've got a wig cap on. You can see that wig cap there giving it, you know, a scalp appearance. And the lace front looks good. Ear tabs, I've got great coverage. And this particular cap, sometimes Esteticas are just slightly big on me because they are considered to be average sized and they do have great stretch to stretch up to, you know, accommodate larger head sizes. But this one is fitting my petite head pretty well. So good to know, you know, this style might be one that works well for petites and beyond. So really, really nice. Okay, so measurement wise, here in the front, she has a measurement of 9 inches. She has a 12-inch layer here at the crown. She has 10-inch sides. And then her nape is 13 inches. So as I said, you have just enough length to have some fun with her, play with her. She'll be fun to style, you know, without her being too long and too difficult to manage. So really, really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna pop her off and we will look at her interior cap construction. I'll show you her part here, but I felt like it was, you know, easy to see when it was on my head too, but, and then there's your lace front. One thing I wanna point out before I flip her inside out is there is just a little bit of teasing that's here at the nape that you might feel with your hands. It's not uncomfortable or itchy or anything like that. And then I do see just a little bit of teasing that is right at the wefts. But again, I'm only pointing that out because when you put your hands in the wig, you might feel that and you might think, does that have a bunch of permatease in it? But it doesn't. It's, you know, as you can see, she's low density, very natural. So really, really like that about this piece. But I'd like to try to tell you guys as much information as I can, you know, when I'm doing a wig review. So, okay, so here is her left monopart. And then she's got a lace front. That lace front, you know, extends temple to temple. Nice coverage all the way across your forehead. She just has some closed lace up here, but maybe a little tiny bit of tease, but I'm not feeling a whole lot. It feels just slightly barely pillowy. Again, don't think that she's full of tease. She's not. Okay, so she's got just the soft ear tabs. She's got a nice piece of metal in there. Plenty of hair for off the face styling. Can't wait to show you how fun she is to style. So she's open wefted all through the cap. She has an open wefted extended nape. Oh, it looks like one of my straps came undone here. She has the hook adjusters, as you can see. So you can hook those all the way across here, which is nice. If you need to, you know, pull, not all the way, but, oh yeah, you can, all the way across, sorry. You can adjust it all the way in if you need to. You can even cross them if you have a really small head, which is nice. And then, as I said, great stretch in the cap. Really nice feature of these caps. These caps are super comfortable. Okay, so let's start talking about this gorgeous new color, Sunlit Blonde. Okay, so the description of Sunlit Blonde is that it has a light brown root that melts into light and warm blonde hues. So very nice. There's a pale blonde, and then there's one that's warmer in there. Very, very pretty. And then as you can see, you have that rooting. You're gonna have that rooting around your face. You're gonna have that rooting anywhere you separate the hair, you know, so the rooting is consistent, which is nice. When you put the hair up and things like that, you're gonna show that rooting all the way around, just like natural hair would. Very, very pretty blondes. This color is kind of similar to the Silver Sun, but it has more warmth, if that helps you understand the color a little bit. It's definitely a warmer blonde. And one thing you'll notice with me, you know, you all know that I am a natural brunette, right? So one thing you will see with me when I put on a really light blonde is you'll notice I'm wearing a lot of pink. Pink is a really good color for my skin tone, and I think it brings out my pink undertones, which work better with the blonde shades. So just a little hint about going from brunette to blonde. Okay, so here we're looking, I'm gonna step away even a little bit from the light. Just my ring light is on, the big lights are off. Pretty, pretty hues in this blonde. You can see that rooting. So now we are outside under my patio cover. It is an overcast, chilly day. So you can see that rooting. There's your lace front. You can see your part. Beautiful layers. So you can see these blondes. Here we are. Like I said, it is overcast, but overcast skies are good for seeing the, it's my dog back there, seeing the pieces. He loves to try to sneak in. See that rooting? It's not super dark, which I like. It's a light root. See it there? Okay, let's look at glasses and styling and all that stuff. So like I said, her density is low, so she's very easy to tuck behind the ears, which is nice. I like the way she's layered. I don't feel like she like flops in my face really bad, which is really nice. Okay, so glasses, super easy. Up on your head, no problem. You know, she's low density, so she's gonna be really easy that way. She looks cute tucked behind the ears too. I think she's gonna look cute with the leopard headband. I would pull out this pretty layer here, let that swoop around your face. So cute. I love this style. That looks really cute. Okay, and then of course she's gonna be great for, you know, styling her half up, half down. Just pull her back with a, you know, little claw clip or a pretty barrette or something like that. Looks really, really pretty. This would be a gorgeous wig. I've seen this wig styled in updos, you know, for fancy weddings or whatever, and she's great for that too. So, but she's also great for just a really pretty pony. She does have an extended nape, which is always nice. And then of course you could twist, make a pretty updo like that. You could braid, you could, you know, look how pretty she is. Bring down these layers around your face. I mean, she is just gorgeous. Ah, I just love her. Beautiful, beautiful style. And this is a very, very pretty blonde. I think it's going to be very popular, beautiful addition to their already really nice line of colors. So really, really nice. So thank you to Pinky Promise for sending me this to review for you all today. There will be purchase information below this video. And until next time, take care of yourselves. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.